w'eby'okurra eby'amagara mu district ya Kasese Dr. Amon Bwambare yashobora ngo bwanyuma y'ekitongole ky'eby'amagara okubamanyisa ngo Obusheru bubarukireho mu kicweka ekintu kyo kimwe batandikira n'ihuriro yo kureba ko bakubasa kubimaraho kandi no kuragurira abo Bakwatsirwe.
Measles outbreak in Kasese, it is true. The other week we started having some alerts of measles, and of course as usual we swung into action and sent there our investigating teams to go and confirm, to go and verify. They find the children, they have rash on their bodies with a fever and running nose. Usually measles should be presenting with a rash, fevers, cough and running nose. When you get someone with such symptoms, we suspect measles.
Dr. Amon Bwambare nagira ngo iki kibasa kuba kiresirwa abana abari kutambara korwa myanya kuzo mu ndijo obutagemesa kandi no kwikerereza mu madini agecushobobo hamwe na no butashomesa abantu baburijo ahandu harezi.
The 3 samples they sent to UVRI in Kampala returned last week as positive cases for measles, and therefore we have really confirmed that we have measles in Kasese. This is not news. You know, measles has just been around again, and it is all over the whole place. As I speak now, there are about 13 districts in the country that are having measles outbreaks.
Omuringo ngugumwe hayongere yashobora ngo akateraho muranga mu bantu baburijo kurengo bagemesa abana abo kuba bagemirwe no bakubasa kutambirwa hendwarezi.
Of course, following this, whenever there is an outbreak, we need to ensure we are on top of the game. We have deployed our teams to go and look around. When we went back to find out, we discovered these are children who had not been vaccinated during the previous campaign. We had a campaign recently, big catch-up. But this family, for whichever reasons, declined to be vaccinated, which was very unfortunate. And look, the cases have appeared there.
Abudu Magezi or CDO wa Nyamwamba Division mu Kasese Municipality abantu Bashatu bashangirwe bine obubonero obu ashoborire ngwe cy'ukuritwa hozubu n'abebembezi abarukuzombururu na mnonga abakwakanisa government abarigire bakongera umuhureji.
People don't turn up, but sometimes there is political influence, more especially the opposition. When we are in the field sensitizing people to go for immunization, they are also telling them different words. They are giving wrong information. Sometimes they tell them, these people, they are immunizing you for this, you are going to die, they want to kill you. So you find that we have very many issues through the opposition people.
Umuringo ngogumwe Gerard Muzora speaker w'ishengero abwa Nyamwamba Division arigero yashaba zirebona okureba ngo baba bujunanizwa abana babo
no bujunanizwa boito nk'abazeire okureba ngo twareberera abana omumpinda hinduka yo bwiro kwero kugenda na in case haba hariho nk'ekirwire kisiyeke cyo barikire so ntwara umugisha go kumanyisa abazeire bagenzi banje na nabantu abutoro kwebembera muri Nyamwamba Division uko mayisa ngo wareba umwana yagira impinduke yageraho eyamba hambiri iruka bwangu otakarondo mbazi yo nkomzire kugira utereka mugururo bujuma narinjirenta twara umwana hirwaro erkurhihi umwana bamukevere abashaho no bari kucenga kutukira hakwa no bashomere ibintu ebyo.
Gashaka Gerard Muhindo abwa Sky TV ya Genshonga.